Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn CapCut videos into shorts with a complete guide. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and import the video you want to convert into shorts. Tap on the plus icon to create a new project and add your video. Once the video is imported, tap on the format or ratio option at the bottom. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts. Now trim your video to 15 to 60 seconds. Remove unnecessary parts by dragging the timeline and cutting the clips. Add trending music from CapCut's audio library, auto captions, and simple texture effects to make it more engaging. After editing, tap on Export in the top right corner. Select 1080p resolution and 60 FPS for better quality, then export the video. The final video will be perfectly ready for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. That's it. This is how you can easily turn any video into shorts using CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.